well, thing. So yeah, I'm missing someone. Where'd he go?
Oh, sorry. It's just taking a bath. You know, you gotta get clean. So this is our monster jam. It's exclusive. Okay, it comes with Kinetic sand right there.
And we have Bone Shaker. I was gonna find Gravedigger, but I couldn't.
So, but we got Megalodon in here right there. So let's start opening this. If we can.
Oh yeah, by the way, Parker, we went to Target and Parker bought a Lamborghini. So yeah, so right now we're going to open it.
You have to.
I know. See, I'm not a professional unboxer.
What in the world?
Don't know what that is. See,
Probably
this one.
Come on, let's go.
Oh yeah, it's metal. These are both metal.
You guys, so here's Megalodon. So let's get some nice please. 49. Okay. Okay, I don't think that's a fish way to open a box.
Ow. Well, you gotta open the box, sir.
Okay, I'm sure you're not supposed to tear a box. Okay. Do we need scissors?
No.
Maybe make it a donkey pop. Come on!
Okay, guys, I got it.
Yes. The beauty has been.
Oh yeah, this is.
Is that a shovel?
Here's the mold. Here's some mold.
Comment down below what this is. I have no idea. Oh, I forgot something. Comment down below. What's your favorite monster truck? So, yeah. Is there even? Wait.
Kinetic sand.
There is no Kinetic sand. Wait, does it? Kinetic sand? I don't know.
Alright, guys, want some scissors? You might use them. Oh yeah. If you ever use these scissors, make sure you have. Yeah. And if you are a YouTuber and you do use them and you're not like that old, like.
Okay, I'm not sure there's Kinetic sand.
It's in here. Okay, guys.
Oh my, there actually is.
I've never seen Kinetic sand in real life.
I mean, I've seen it in.
I've seen it in commercials.
Oh, what?
Oh yes, it looks like
Show the camera. That's why you never do it. Okay.
So yeah, this is what
Kinetic sand.
you just.
Oh my, it feels so weird. Beautiful.
Okay.
What?
Let's take it apart, guys, and let's fast forward this while I build it. Yeah, I don't think it'll work though. Okay, Megalodon, let's go Megalodon.
Oh, smash.
Okay, stop it. Okay,
Not that hard.
I'm gonna make a better ramp. Right here. See, I got a plan here.
Okay, let's see what his plan is, guys.
Okay.
Epic.
3.
Alright, guys.
Sorry
So
about that, Brie.
yeah, we're just going to. So now what I'm gonna do. So you guys gonna watch a commercial break? We will call this a commercial break. The Monster Jam commercial break. While I work on the set. So if you would just show them some ramp cool tricks, I will.
This is what I call the double dozer. Beautiful. Okay. This is what I call the flip. You're not supposed to land. It's gonna called the sidey ramp. You fly up and fly like that. Woo! Look at those beautiful tricks that don't work. And this is what I call the chomp ramp. Yep. Totally right. Okay. Cardboard on the ramp. Actually, cardboard.
Oh, can I make it on for a second?
Well, there goes some.
Okay, it's working. But guys, you guys are not supposed to do that, so. Okay, and we will get right back to the commercial break.
Commercial break. Okay, guys. Sure.
Right back to Monster Jam. Alright guys, so now I have done some details to it. We're just gonna take him on a little ride here.
Hold on. I wanna see this thing going in.
Okay, we're gonna have the Lamborghini. You know, this Kinetic set, so you guys can go to Target and get this in the toy aisle. And so yeah.
Oh wow. This feels so weird.
Did not have enough money to buy it. Oh. So Parker's messing up right now. So right now I'm gonna have to rebuild it. So
guys, welcome back to Jimmy's ramp. So I mean the Lamborghini ramp. Okay.
3, go.
Okay, guys, we're gonna do the triple ramp. I want to see what happens. No, double. I want to see what happens.
Guys, I made the ramp a little bit. Yeah. You want to take your Lamborghini on it?
No.
Okay. Alright guys, we have Megalodon up. I don't know how you're supposed to really ride these. But if you guys have saw on our Monster Jam video,
go check that one out.
And comment down below. Do you like a monster truck or Lamborghini better? Monster trucks are bigger though, and they're really expensive, but you can't buy them. So we'll have to wrap
Lamborghini.
So
let's wrap it up.
Yeah.
Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. Wait, am I forgetting something? Oh
notification.
Yeah. I think I'm forgetting the like. Make sure you hit the like button. Okay, make sure you hit this one called the like, not this one called the dislike. You want this one, not this one. Got it? Got it? Okay. Maybe like 50 likes. Let's get 50 likes and we'll do another one. We'll do another one of these.
Yeah,
but
and I'm
maybe
probably
a different thing, not Monster Jam. Okay, so
we might do this one, but we'll do
bye.